Hey, what's up guys? MJ coming at you, and today we're gonna check out the RAM management in Mi Max 3. The reason I'm using this, this is 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage. So there's another version of 4 GB of RAM, and the reason I'm doing this is because a lot of people actually buying the 4 GB RAM, and they are actually, some of them actually complain about the RAM management, like for example, opening multiple apps and having a lot of issues like switching between apps and so forth. So what I'm having here, or what I'm doing here, let me just show you. This is the software. Let me just reduce the brightness. So what I have here is a couple of games that I just opened. So I have Final Fantasy, I have YouTube, I have setting, I have Chrome opened, music, Play Store, gallery, browser, also Hearthstone, and some Chinese game, and PUBG. So I have a lot of things going on here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna switch between these apps and show you that it is actually smooth to switch between these apps, and there's no problem at all. So let's start going with this game. So already started this game before, and we'll just wait for it to load. All right, so it's here. If we go back, switch to Final Fantasy. So it's already there. And if we actually switch back to PUBG, let's go back to PUBG. There you go. So it's already there. So you actually do not, the games do not reset. I'm talking about the 6 GB RAM. The games do not reset when you switch between them, no matter how much game. I have like 5 games in the background, in addition of Chrome, YouTube, and all other applications, the major application that you use on daily basis. However, this is not going to contradict the issue of switching between apps or playing, resuming the game. So this is really great. Let me just show you as well. Let's go back to where we were. And I really like the Xiaomi, the implementation of the. Just reduce the. I like the implementation of the MUEI. I think I forgot the name. Let me just check. Yeah, MIUI. So the MIUI implementation on the Mi Max 3 is really great, because you just all you have to do. Let me just show you. Just slide back. That's beautiful. If I go in, slide back, hold, then you go back to all applications. If you want to remove some, right, left. It's very useful friendly. So I really like it. So let's go back to see that the first game I started still playing. So it's very, very nice. So there is a difference between 6 GB RAM and 4 GB RAM. I believe that if you have a 4 GB of RAM, so you're actually gonna have a hard time having like 5 games on the background playing, and have also additional 10 applications, one of them Chrome, and one of the heaviest RAM hungry, the Chrome, the YouTube, playing in the background. That will actually stutter your experience using the phone in 4 GB RAM. The Mi Max 3 is a beautiful device if you can use it fluently, see. That's about it. This is the video about RAM management. And if you're thinking about getting a 4 GB RAM or 6 GB RAM, definitely go for the 6 GB RAM, and also the blue color, which is really beautiful. That's it guys for you today, and see you guys in other videos.